So I knock on the door with one hand. With the other hand, I'm getting the alcohol foam ready. And wait for the patient to say, come in. As soon as she says come in, I put an elbow on the door, scrub in. So, you know, I've got all the alcohol tingle in my hands. And say, Miss Sherman, I'm part of these. I'm student Dr. Mulvey. I'm part of the care team that's taking care of you because we're a care team. What brings you in today? And she says, you know, I've had a cough for about a month. It definitely sounds like we need to take a listen to your lungs. I also want to take a listen to your heart and test, you know, your strength overall. Is that okay? And she said, yeah. I'm here for a checkup, so whatever you need to do. So Miss Sherman had her hospital gown tied extremely tight, and I asked if she could pull it forward so that I could listen to her heart. I probably should have just untied it, but I did not. So I kind of had to like wedge it under her chest and listen to her heart.
Like, how'd you wedge it in?
So, you know, I just did like...
You gotta say it with words. Use your words.
I have very few words to describe how awkward the situation. Can I do a shot?
Yeah, real quick.
Oh yeah. So I tied the gown back up and said, God bless the children and stuff. And then I walked out and typed some stuff up about it.